Well, the good old days may not return, and the rocks might melt, and the sea may burn.